welcome to our session on body scan meditation. In this video, we will dive into what body scan meditation is, a mindfulness technique where you pay attention to different parts of your body in sequence, noticing any sensations without judgment. We will also explore the significant benefits of this practice, including how it helps reduce stress, enhance awareness of bodily sensations, and improve overall mental health. Join me as we learn how to connect with our bodies and discover the transformative effects of body scan meditation. What is a body scan meditation? A body scan is a technique where you focus on each part of your body one at a time, from your toes to the top of your head. The goal is to notice any sensations you feel without any judgment. This practice helps you become more aware of your physical self and releases tension wherever it's found. Benefits of body scan meditation. We will briefly explore how this practice can significantly benefit you, supported by personal stories, scientific research, and a clear outline of what to expect. Number 1. A personal journey with body scan meditation. When I first started practicing body scan meditation, I was overwhelmed with work stress and struggled to maintain focus throughout my day. Each session involves focusing on different parts of the body, which initially seemed simple. Yet, this simple act of noticing and not trying to judge anything helped me become more aware of where I held tension and stress. My concentration improved over time. This increased focus made my workdays more productive and less exhausting. This practice became my nightly ritual, easing me into a state of calm before bed and setting the stage for a more grounded and attentive morning. Number 2. The science behind body scan meditation. Research has increasingly supported the benefits of body scan meditation, particularly in reducing stress and enhancing mental health. A study published in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine found that mindfulness-based techniques, including body scan, significantly reduce stress and symptoms of anxiety and depression. Participants reported feeling less reactive to stressful situations and more emotionally balanced. The practice has also been linked to improved sleep patterns and lower blood pressure, making it a valuable tool for overall wellness. 3. What to expect from body scan meditation? You might wonder what exactly a body scan involves and what you will gain from it. In the next session, we will guide you through a step-by-step process where you will learn to gently focus on each part of your body, from your toes to the top of your head. The goal isn't to change or judge anything, but to simply notice. This increased awareness can help release hidden physical tension, increase your overall awareness of bodily sensations, which is often overlooked in our busy lives, cultivate a greater sense of inner peace and emotional resilience as you learn to observe without reaction. Conclusion. In this session, we covered the basics of body scan meditation and its benefits, like reducing stress and improving mental health. We have seen how focusing mindfully on each part of the body can not only relieve physical tension but also promote a greater sense of peace and well-being. I hope this session inspired you to add body scan meditation to your daily routine for a healthier, balanced life. Join me in our next session for a guided body scan meditation where we will explore this practice to enhance your awareness and overall well-being. Thanks for joining this session.